Good morning, children.
You know, lesson third, that is tarot reward, is going on. I think you have studied this lesson, and exercises are going on. In this context, working with language is going on. I think you have done A and B. See question C. Arrange the words below in pairs that rhyme. Example, young to lung. This has been given. Other word is money. Its rhyming pair is sunny. Now you have to make pairs with the word. Other word is wax. So you can, its pair word that rhyme to it may be X. A-X-E. X. Wax to X. In the same way, you can make pair of other words that rhyme to it. Way. I think do this question immediately. Other question is D. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. Lonely, little, hard, young, thoughtful, delicious, beautiful. You have to fill these words in the blanks. A. What are you going to fill in this gap? You can fill a young woodcutter lived on a lonely hillside. He was a, you think yourself and do this exercise immediately in your copy. Other words, other question is to find these sentences in the story and fill in the blanks. This made Taro thy neighbor. You find this sentence in the lesson. You can say this made Taro sadder. You have to fill. You will find the word sadder in the text. Thy neighbor. You have to think about second, third, fourth, and fifth question. Other exercises are there for speaking and writing. A. Speak the following sentences clearly, but as quickly as you can learn them by heart. How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck would? I think you will enjoy the language when you read this sentence. In the same way, Betty bought a bit of butter, but the bit of butter was a little bitter, so she bought some better butter to make the bitter butter better. Really, you should try 4, 5, 6, 10 times. Question number B. The story Taro's Reward shows that Taro is thoughtful, hardworking, and also wise. Read aloud the parts of a story that show these qualities in Taro. I think you can find in the lesson. Exercise number 2. Like Patrick in the story, who did Patrick's homework. Taro is helped by magic. Do you believe in magic? What are the magical things that happen in these stories? In the lesson, Patrick, who did Patrick's work? It was a elf, and Patrick had saved the elf or the little man from cat or little doll from cat, and a sense to help others came in his mind. By this, he learnt to self-help, and then he started to study. He got all A's in his class. In the same way, Taro was helped by a magic pool. First of all, yes, he decided to work hard and earn more money. Then the magic pool helped him. First of all, you should help yourself, learn to help yourself, then other things will be helpful to you. Next, which story do you like better and why? Do you know such stories in other languages? Discuss these questions in class. So there is no class, but you can think about this question. Now write a paragraph or two about these two stories, comparing them. Listen to these children. What are they talking about? One child is telling, I think swimming is more difficult than driving. This is thinking of the child. Other child is telling, I think it is much less difficult. But for others, the matter differs. Third says, anyhow, neither of them is as difficult as learning English. So for him, learning of English is very hard to him, difficult to him. Question number 2. Work in groups. Come to some agreement on each of the activities given below. Decide which is the most interesting, dullest, most dangerous, safest, most rewarding, most exciting. There is a list of activities. You can add other activities also when you write the about the activities which are most interesting, dullest, more dangerous, safest, most rewarding, most exciting. So you think about first most interesting. You can say reading. watching TV, stamp collecting, listening to music, dancing, or maybe most interesting thing for you. Now you search dullest activities. So I think you can do this. Last exercise is dictation. Your teacher will speak the words given below. Write against each two new words that rhyme with it. Bed, you can say said or laid. In the same way, you can think about wax for tax or facts. Past, you can say past or last. Cop, you can say stop, you can say drop. Last is young, so you can say sung or hung. So you have to do all the exercises in your copy immediately. Thank you.